Alright guys, Black Friday this year is absolutely crazy. So instead of scrolling through 500 random deals, I'm showing you the actual stuff which is absolutely worth for your money. And honestly, these two UGREEN chargers, yeah, they are the ones. With up to 40% off in the UK, literally this is the best time to upgrade your setup. Let's go! I know chargers aren't the sexiest things ever. But when your phone's dying, your AirPods are beeping and your controller is flashing red mid-game, suddenly chargers become the most important thing in your life. These two UGREEN chargers just make everything easier. One for your desk or gaming setup, one for traveling. Simple. Let's start with the big daddy, the UGREEN 8-port GaN Desktop Fast Charger 200 watts. This thing is literally a charging station. 8 ports up to 200 watts charge everything at once. Like right now on my desk I've got my phone, my AirPods, my controller and my wireless gaming headset all plugged into this one thing. No swapping cables, no unplugging something just to plug in something else, everything just has its place. Plus, it's GaN certified, so it stays cool, it's efficient, and honestly, it just looks clean on the desk. If you are someone with a messy setup, this fixes it. Now the second one is the total opposite. It's the UGREEN Nexode 3-port GaN Fast Charger 65 watts. This is my little travel buddy. It fits any pocket in your bag, the plug folds in, and it still gives you a 65 watts, so yes, it charges a laptop. When I'm out, this is enough to charge my phone, my camera battery and even my Steam Deck or MacBook Air if I needed to. 3 ports, 1 tiny charger, done. So if you're trying to decide, here is how I'd break it down. Go for the 200 watt 8 port if you've got a full gaming desk setup, you hate cable mess, you charge a lot of devices daily. Go for the 65 watt Nexode if you travel, if you want something tiny, you still want a laptop charging power. Honestly, if your wallet is covered, these two here is cover everything, in every situation. UGREEN Black Friday sales run from November 10 to December 1st, but the best deals are, it's running from November 20 to 25, so it's time now. And in the UK, you can get up to 40% off, which is actually mad for chargers of this quality. I've put all links below, Amazon store, deals page, everything. If you've been meaning to upgrade your charger game, this is the time to do it. Grab the discounts while they're alive. And that's it for today guys. Thank you very much UGREEN to sending me these products over. It's always a pleasure working with UGREEN. I can honestly say those are the best chargers and everything what I have been using with my entire life. Thank you UGREEN. And thank you guys for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.